Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So anyone that's watched any of my previous DIY videos, you'll know that I'm absolutely useless at DIY. So when my partner come and told me that the door in her salon was coming loose and the hinges had fallen off, you can see the hinges have literally come out from the inside of the door there. I thought that I would have to replace the whole cabinet, because I thought, how can I fix this by just screwing the screws back in when the screw holes here will no longer hold the threads. But after doing a little bit of research online, there is a fairly straightforward way of fixing this. So I thought I would document it to show those of you that, like myself, aren't very good at DIY. Now this is a bracket, a hinge plate or a hinge bracket, not too sure exactly what it was called when I brought it. I'll try and leave a link to it if I can find it again. It was on eBay, it was only a couple of pounds. But basically, this plate here, there's two of them here as well. This plate here attaches to the hinge, and then it basically makes fresh holes on the inside of the cabinet that you can drill in, so you don't have to use the holes that have already broken. So yeah, really cool, really simple, and I'm going to try and film the process. Right, so first of all what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the old screws. From there, and from the bottom one as well. Now this plate's got like a protective seal on it, I don't know why. Don't know whether you have to remove that or not. But another video I watched online, they did actually remove this, so yeah, I'll just do the same. Quite satisfying as well. Oh, it was. There we go. So that is, let me just take you a little bit closer. Now this hinge has a new larger bracket attached to it. Let me just pop you back there. Now this should close, there we go. Now what I'll do is I'll attach this bracket on the inside of the door through the new holes, and that should fix the door, in theory. Right, so what I've done is I've just screwed in those screws for now, the ones that went through the thing, through the actual hinge. Because then what we'll do is I'll check, before I secure all these other holes, I'll just check that the door closes okay. Yeah, that closes absolutely fine. It's just a case of securing the rest of these screws all around the edge of this plate. So we'll do that now. I'll take a little tool that I use quite a lot when I'm drilling holes or screwing things in. This little sharp pointy thing that you get in most screwdriver sets, so you don't know what it's used for. I just use that to start the holes. So just push a little bit in, give it a twist. Same with that one, a little bit of a twist. A little bit of a twist. Push it in, give it a twist, and that will literally help me screw these in theory. It gives it something to grab onto and sit in. And there we go. That is now done. Took me under 10 minutes, and that was while making a video as well. I'm not going to do that last hole, because you can see that last hole leads to like another screw at the back. But I think these are more than going to hold it. I've even got 2 more holes here if I wanted to make it even more secure, but I'll keep them for now in case it comes off again. I've got holes to use in the future. Now that is done. And that was, yeah, a lot easier than I thought. I thought I was going to have to replace this whole cabinet. But that is nice and secure. I might even do the bottom hinge, even though that one's not fallen off yet, just to secure it. But I think most of the weight is held on by the top one, I would guess. But yeah, there we go. Let me know in the comment section if you found this video useful. And thanks for watching.